This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker LA 2850 SLE Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Bradenton, Florida, 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 44 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, rear bedroom. This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker LA 2850 SLE Ford is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.